Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. We're looking at mortgage. We're also looking at the process, the procedures, the details when you're looking at purchasing a home. In this particular video, we're going to talk about scheduling a home inspection. The information in this article has a lot of different links. I have videos on all of this information, but feel free to check this stuff out on your own. This particular link will be posted below. Schedule a home inspection. Once you've chosen a home, schedule a home inspection appointment as soon as possible. You want to have plenty of time to resolve problems. What to do? Find a home inspector. Choose an inspector with a reputation for being honest and thorough. You want someone to give you a complete and honest assessment of the physical condition of the home. Schedule an independent inspection for the home as soon as possible. You want to know as soon as possible if there are any major problems with the home so you can decide whether you still want to buy the home. Also, if additional inspections are needed, you want to have plenty of time to get them completed. You want an independent home inspection who is accountable to you and gives you a complete inspection and an honest opinion. The home inspection is being paid by someone else or not paid until closing. The inspector might underemphasize the problems with the home. What to know? A home inspection is different than an appraisal, but you generally need both. When you borrow money to buy a home, your lender generally requires a form of an appraisal. Your lender must send you a copy of your appraisal promptly once it is completed. Get more information about appraisal and what to do if an appraisal comes in below the sales price. You may be able to negotiate with the seller or cancel the sale based on the inspection. If repairs are needed, you may want to negotiate with the seller about who should make or pay for the repairs. Depending on the term of your purchase contract and local market conditions, the seller may or may not agree to pay for the repairs. If your purchase contract is contingent on satisfactory inspection, you have the right to cancel the sale without penalty if you're not satisfied with the results of the inspection. If the inspection or appraisal identifies major repairs that are needed, closing could get more complicated. Some loan programs might require the property to meet specific standards. The appraisal could say that the property is subject to repairs to meet the program's requirements. If major repairs, like a new roof, are needed, the lender can require that the repairs be made before closing as a condition of getting the loan. Or the lender could ask you to put enough money in a special account, that's an escrow account, to pay for the repair immediately after closing. Attend the home inspection if you can. Being present during the inspection makes it easier to interpret the inspection report, understand issues, and allow you to ask questions. How to avoid pitfalls? Don't buy a home without having it thoroughly inspected. Inspections are for your protection. There are serious flaws such as cracked foundation. You may decide that you don't want to buy the home after all. If your purchase contract is contingent on satisfactory inspection, you should be able to cancel the sale without penalty. If there are parts of the home that are damaged or worn out, you may want to negotiate with the seller to have these fixed before you move in or to give you credit for the cost of the repairs. Don't choose a home inspector without checking their history. Depending on your area, home inspections may not be required to be licensed. Before choosing an inspector, ask for the references from prior customers and look up the inspector with your local business bureau and your state or county licensing authority. If you have any questions, concerns related to home inspections, comment. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped. See you soon.